What are we doing?
Okay, we're gonna microwave this glue stick. Just the glue part of the glue stick. Whatever, that's always close.
Okay, let's go. We're using lots of plates. We can like reuse some.
Okay, let's take this muffin off and use this.
And this one,
Okay.
put this.
We'll put this on. Okay, I want to see this. Glue stick.
This is the glue stick in the
In the
microwave.
microwave. 24 seconds. Go.
I hope it's
I
not.
feel like it's suddenly gonna start like dripping down. I'm adding 10 seconds. Oh, it fell. Oh my god, is it bubbling?
Yeah, that's like a huge ass bubble.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
I bet this is toxic. This is so cool.
This is what happens when you're up this way with some energy.
Can you burn glue?
I don't know.
It's kind of deflated. Alright, let's take it out.
Video glue stick in the microwave.
Which one should we do? Because I found two.
Where's this glue stick? Oh, look what it did to the bottom.
Look at this glue
Look
stick.
at this. This was the glue stick.
Now we're gonna microwave some lipstick.
It feels, but we don't know which one yet.
So-
Can I put one on? Let's put both! I mean, okay. Let's do both.
This is like rip.
Yeah.
Because Mom,
Oh, does Mom like one of these?
I don't know. Maybe that one because Mom uses
Whatever.
them.
I'll do it now.
She can still use it. Not much.
I hope this just looks like the glue stick.
Yes,
Alright,
that's
Huh? Let's do for 30 seconds.
some lipstick.
I hope it just like explodes.
I hope it melts and then like bubbles. Kind of like the icing.
We should start sparks like the CD.
I don't think it will because like it doesn't really have any like metal or whatever in it. It's just kind of there.
Ew, it like rolled away. It looks like it's bleeding.
It looks like it's I think it's like melting or
It is definitely.
Add more seconds.
Oh, that's really gross.
It does look like
Just
it's
melting. Add 10 more seconds. Elise, press more.
How do you do
Up, press more. Right there. Oh my god. Yeah.
We should take like a lip brush and put it on.
I wonder if it's like hot. I wonder if you could like burn someone with like lipstick.
That would be very uncomfortable.
Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Lipstick in the microwave looks like blood.
Ew, it does. It looks like metallic-y blood.
Blood.
Blood. Oh, sorry.
That's weird.
It smells weird.
That's what lipstick just smells gross.
Like,
That's weird.
it looks like we killed someone and put their blood on a plate. Look at this. That's insane. Oh, that's from that. I was like, why is it crusty?
Oh, yeah.
That's so weird. This is awkward.
Definitely not my
That video was like awesome.
Ew, the icing hardened. It's got like bubbles in it.
Let me see.
Ew. It's gross. That's from a finger.
Ew. This bottle like will not melt.
Oh, we know.
That one's not
If
the
the CD, if the CD does that, so will the DVD. Oh yeah.
Yeah, because like, go find a crayon.
We should put a kiwi in there. No. Actually, that'd be funny.
Now we're gonna do a kiwi and then a crayon.
I'll eat it. Big
Dude,
kiwi.
this hardened already.
Did it harden?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I bet we can reuse it. Oh, we basically can.
Oh yeah, we can. Let's smear it.
This is weird. I don't like it. Okay, let's cut it in half.
Kiwi in the microwave.
Oh,
And then Lydia
Oh,
will
that's
eat
so
it.
pretty. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put half on this in the microwave
We can still use this.
for 40 seconds.
I'll be right back.
I need to get. Okay.
No one close that door.
Just go.
You're like planning revenge.
Nah.
Yeah.
Hi. Just go. Like I'm just kidding.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What?
It's like, oh my god, it's going crazy!
Oh God.
Let me see. Oh my god. bubbly.
Ew, that's gross.
Ew. No, what? Why? Why add more?
Oh my god! That's so cool.
As well, you can take people on that.
I will. Okay, stop, Megan. I feel like it's gonna explode like any second. I feel like it's just gonna shrivel.
Well, I never thought this would happen.
Oh my god, look at it.
That was unexpected.
Alright.
Ew, ew.
So this is the kiwi. Look at it.
It used to be this, now it is that.
That.
Ew.
Ew. That to that. What? That's crazy. And again, this is our whole collection.
Oh my god, this smells really weird.
Oh, it does. Ew. It smells kind of like mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato.
Okay, so this is everything we've destroyed in
Oh
our.
god, what the hell?
Look, the lipstick
Hardened.
hardened, and you can reuse it. Like, seriously, not kidding. But it kind of looks like blood. So yeah.
Bye.